Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a PBIX file in Power BI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to install the Power BI desktop. So if you don't know where to get that, I'm on Windows 11. You can go to your Microsoft Store here and just search for Power BI. So I'm just going to do a search here and then hit enter. Here it is here. It's already obviously installed on mine. So go ahead and click into it. Click on install. It's very simple to download and install. Now, once you've done that, you want to go ahead and locate the PBIX file inside of your computer. So here it is here. So this is a template for Power BI. And then from here, once you've installed Power BI, if I go ahead and double click this .pbix file, it's going to obviously open up Power BI and open up that template or that PBIX file.